Assalamu Alaikum Warahmatullah. Welcome to Ar-Rahmah Trust Short Reminders, where we will be taking you on a journey in providing mercy for those in need. Many a time people have come to me and asked, and they have been left wondering, when is the best time to give in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Or how should I give in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Should I give it secretly? Should I give it openly? Should I give it at a certain time of the day? Well, the great news is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows everything. Allah is closer to us than our jugular vein when it comes to the knowledge of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He knows everything. And one of the beauties about this is that whether you give secretly, whether you give openly, whether you give in the day, whether you give in the night, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if you have the right intention, will accept your donation. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions, الَّذِينَ يُنْفِقُونَ أَمْوَالَهُمْ بِاللَّيْلِ وَالنَّهَارِ سِرًّا وَعَلَانِيَةً لَهُمْ أَجْرُهُمْ عِنْدَ رَبِّهِمْ وَلَا خَوْفٌ عَلَيْهِمْ وَلَا هُمْ يَحْزَنُونَ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, those people who spend their wealth from what Allah has provided, they give in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, whether they give it in the daytime, in the nighttime, whether they give it sirran wa alaniyatan, whether they give it secretly or openly, take comfort from the fact that what? Your reward is with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So the most important aspect is that you actually give. Whether you give in the day, in the night, secretly, openly, give in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with the correct intention, and you will find that your reward is with Allah. We look forward to sharing with you more beneficial advice in our next video. Please share, like and subscribe to our Rahmah Trust channel by clicking on the link below, and join us on our journey in providing mercy for those in need.